Have you ever found yourself caught in a spiral of negative thoughts about yourself, wondering how to break free and rewrite the script in your head? You're not alone. Let's embark on a journey to silence the inner critic and cultivate a voice of kindness and strength. In our 20s and 30s, we're often our own toughest critics. Social pressures, career expectations, and personal ambitions can lead to a relentless stream of negative self-talk. But the words we use with ourselves shape our reality, our self-esteem, and our ability to pursue our dreams. It's crucial to understand the power of our inner dialogue. Negative self-talk can be a tough habit to break. It's often automatic and rooted in deeper fears or insecurities. But recognizing these patterns is the first step towards change. Whether it's the perfectionist, the catastrophizer, or the self-doubter in us, understanding these voices allows us to challenge and transform them. Turning the tide on negative self-talk starts with awareness. Begin by noting when and about what you criticize yourself. Challenge these thoughts by asking, would I say this to a friend? Replace them with affirmations that highlight your strengths and achievements. And don't forget, the power of a support network. Share your feelings with friends or a community who uplifts you. Meet Lisa, a 33-year-old who battled negative self-talk by starting her days with positive affirmations. She also joined a support group where sharing struggles and victories made her feel less alone and more empowered. Overcoming negative self-talk is a journey towards self-love and acceptance. Remember, the way we speak to ourselves matters. By fostering a kinder inner dialogue, we unlock our true potential and open up a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining me in exploring how to overcome negative self-talk. If you've found strategies that work for you, share them in the comments below. Let's support and uplift each other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Here's to being our own best friend. Until next time, speak to yourself with love and kindness.